Join me as I take on the challenge of building my dream perfume collection without spending a fortune. Hey everyone, if this is your first time on this channel, I am Jesse. If you're anything like me, you're obsessed with smelling incredible. But let's be honest, creating a perfume collection fit for a king or queen can significantly deplete your finances. That's why I'm taking you on a journey to prove that you don't need to break the bank to smell like $1,000,000. We're diving deep into the world of affordable fragrances, uncovering hidden gems, and busting the myth that you need to spend a fortune to smell amazing. Get ready for tips, tricks, and honest reviews that will have you smelling like royalty on a peasant's budget. Let's do this. Scent is one of the most personal things you can wear, and you don't have to spend a ton to smell like $1,000,000. Today, I'm curating a dream collection of perfumes that are high in quality and low in cost. We're talking about fragrances that will turn heads and make you feel confident without emptying your wallet. Stay tuned because I'm about to share some seriously impressive finds that will have you rethinking your entire fragrance game. Let's get started. And like many of you, I've always loved fragrances. There's just something so captivating about a scent that can transport you to another place or evoke a special memory. But building a collection can be expensive and fast, especially if you're drawn to those high-end designer bottles. That's why I set out to create a well-rounded, stylish perfume lineup without breaking the bank. Whether you're just starting or adding to your rotation, this video has tips, insights, and surprisingly amazing budget-friendly scents. I approached this challenge by giving myself a strict budget and focusing on fragrances that hit three main criteria: great scent, solid performance, and exceptional value. No compromises here. I wanted to prove that you can find incredible fragrances without sacrificing quality. I explored high street brands, discount finds, and lesser-known gems to create something truly special. Think of it like a treasure hunt for your senses, and trust me, the discoveries were amazing. Get ready to be surprised because some of these affordable fragrances smell even better than their expensive counterparts. Right away, I found a floral-forward, everyday scent that was light and elegant, perfect for spring. It had this beautiful blend of jasmine and rose with a hint of citrus that was both refreshing and feminine. Then I came across an oud, a fragrance that usually comes with a luxury price tag. But I scored it for a fraction of the cost. The scent was rich, woody, and slightly sweet, perfect for evening wear or special occasions. I've been testing longevity, checking how the dry downs evolve, and comparing notes with other fragrance lovers. Some of these affordable picks have blown me away. One brand surprised me with a lovely amber spice scent that feels much more luxurious than its price suggests. Another offered a refreshing citrus cologne that's perfect for the office or a casual afternoon out. I even found a few hidden gems in the fragrance section of big retailers that most people overlook. Some of these perfumes seriously deliver luxury vibes on a budget. It wasn't all smooth sailing though. Some scents that looked promising online turned out to be overpowering or faded too fast. I'm talking about those fragrances that hit you with a wall of scent at first but disappear after 5 minutes. Others were sold out or discontinued by the time I found them. It's always a bummer when you discover a hidden gem only to find out it's gone forever. The sheer number of options can be overwhelming, but I stayed focused on what worked and what felt right for my style. It's easy to get caught up in the hype or the latest releases, but the key is to find scents that you genuinely love and that reflect your personality. So while there were a few fragrance fails along the way, it was all part of the fun and helped me narrow down my ultimate dream collection. Now, let's talk about the highlights that made it into my final dream collection. These are the fragrances that stood out from the crowd, impressed me with their quality, and earned a permanent spot on my shelf. I've got a vibrant floral that's flirty and wearable every day, a warm vanilla amber combo that's cozy and comforting, a woody aquatic scent that's clean but long-lasting, and a spicy tobacco-inspired fragrance that turns heads. Each of these scents brings something unique to the table and covers a wide range of occasions and moods. One of my top finds is a niche style scent with leather and incense that feels custom blended. It costs under $40 and it's smooth and unique. I get compliments every time I wear it. It just goes to show that you don't need to spend a fortune to smell like $1,000,000. Another favorite is a dupe for a designer classic. I compared it side by side with the real thing, and the difference was barely noticeable, especially for the price. It's perfect for layering or everyday wear. Finding a good dupe is like winning the fragrance lottery. You get the same luxurious scent without the hefty price tag. Building your dream perfume collection on a budget is possible. It takes patience, research, and a little curiosity, but the payoff is a shelf full of scents that smell amazing and feel personal. Don't hesitate to step outside your comfort zone, explore new experiences, and trust your instincts. From florals to woods to spicy orientals, I've covered all the bases without spending hundreds. I'm living proof that you can have a diverse and impressive fragrance collection without breaking the bank. I'm proud of what I've put together and thrilled to share it with you. It's proof that smelling great isn't about the price tag, but what speaks to you. Ultimately, the best fragrance is the one that makes you feel confident, attractive, and ready to take on the world. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite budget-friendly perfumes? Have you found any hidden gems lately? Please share them in the comments below. I am always on the lookout for new fragrance recommendations, especially if they're easy on the wallet. If you're on a similar journey or just seeking more fragrance inspiration, check out my next video on layering techniques and how to make your scent last all day. Layering fragrances is an art form that can elevate your scent game to the next level. I will leave a link in the description, and I can't wait to share my secrets with you. Also, explore some of the fragrances from my collection. I will include them in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more content like this. Until next time, smell and feel good. Stay fragrant.